Hello, in the last lecture, we typed every character of the ROS run command, and that is a time-taking process. Linux provides us the feature to auto-complete the commands that we type in the terminal. To auto-complete the commands, we use the tab keys. Open a terminal and run the sdsb command. Now type ROSR and hit the tab key once. As you can see, the ROS run command is auto-completed. Note here that if we type ROS and then press the tab key once, nothing happens because there are too many commands that start with ROS. Here you can press the tab key twice to see all those commands. And as you can see, there are lots of commands that start with ROS. Here we will press the N key to clear the list. After ROS run, we will type the name of the package. Here we will type my_f and hit the tab key to autocomplete. Now we need to provide the executable name. And this way we can complete the whole command. Note that this tab completion will not properly work for this example if you have not run the sdsb command. This was all about the tab completion. The next thing that we will see is the Unix timestamp. In ROS, whenever we need to time anything, we use the Unix timestamp. This timestamp looks like this, and this number is the count of seconds passed since 1st January 1970. So, if you come across a big number like this, the chances are you are looking at the Unix timestamp. You can also Google this and find out the current timestamp. We can refresh this page and the numbers will change. This was all about the tab completion and the Unix timestamp, and this also marks the end of this section. In the next section, we will learn about a new ROS term called nodes and topics. Also, in this section, we used cout and print to print a string, but you would rarely see any ROS code using these. Instead, ROS offers powerful C++ macros and Python methods for printing and logging purposes. And in the next section, we are going to look at those. Thank you.